Welcome to the first of the EMP Fusion tutorial videos. In this video, we're going to be diving into the Fusion sacrifice. So the first step will be to visit the Fusion website, fusion.emp.money. Today, we are going to be covering this box in the top left corner where you see sacrifice. Now, I know it is labeled sacrifice, but really that was done for regulatory purposes. And I did want to point out right away that as soon as you deposit into the Fusion ecosystem, you will start earning right away. And so what you're going to do is visit this drop down and decide which asset you want to deposit. I did want to point out right away that we are offering a peg bonus for 4 of these options. So what does that mean? Well, first of all, EMP holds a 4,000 to 1 peg with Ethereum. And if we visit the emp.money website, you will see that we are currently 65.44% below peg. We are climbing rapidly throughout the last 8 days, and we are on our way to restoring our 4,000 to 1 peg. And so that peg bonus won't be around for much longer. But currently, if you look at this top right corner where the EMP price is, you will see that EMP is currently at 28 cents. If you are depositing EMP ETH LP, up EMP, or E bond, we are going to be crediting you at a 1-to-1 value at peg. And so currently that would be 82 cents, not 28 cents of today's price. And so what that means is you will be receiving a lot more sacrifice points for your deposit than you would be if we were crediting you at today's price. And so unfortunately, you won't receive the peg bonus for every single one of these options. But if you are choosing to deposit EMP ETH LP, up EMP, or E bond, you will receive that juicy peg bonus. So let's go through all the options. You have the option to deposit EMP, eShare, EMP ETH LP, BNB, ETH, BUSD, USDT, USDC, up EMP, or E bond. And what you'll do is you will choose the asset that you'd like to deposit. And right away, you'll see below here, it will show you how much of that asset you have. And the great thing about this system is if you try to type in an amount that's more than that, or you accidentally do it, it will show you right away in red. It won't even allow you to accidentally press the deposit button and have a failed transaction. And so you will go ahead and type in an amount that you want to deposit. It will show you right away the amount of sacrifice points that you'll receive. So you can see here, as one EMP equates to 1 sacrifice point, you can see here that we are sitting at nearly a 3x on the peg bonus. Since I am depositing EMP, 50 EMP is getting me 142.23 sacrifice points. So this is my test account. I'm going to deposit 50 EMP here with you to show you how it goes to deposit. So we are going to do it live together. I want you to pay attention to the number of sacrifice points in the middle here so you can see them jump as we complete the transaction. And just like that, super quick, in less than 10 seconds, the deposit went through, the sacrifice points went up, and I'm building my ownership of the central grid, which means that my deposit went through and I am earning right away. Now, one really important thing that I did want to mention before we wrap up this first video is that if you are depositing EMP ETH LP, it will be absolutely exactly the same as if you were depositing EMP in regards to the peg bonus. So there is no reason at all to need to remove the liquidity on your EMP ETH LP. We wanted to make this super easy and seamless for all of you. and remove as much of the work as possible on your end. And so if you had $500 worth of EMP and you had $500 worth of EMP ETH LP, and you were depositing both in two separate transactions, you would receive the exact same amount of sacrifice points for both. Amazing. So we're going to wrap up this video here. And in our next video, we're going to dive into buy back and earn, what that means, how to do it, and how you can rapidly grow your ownership position in the central grid by using it. Stick with us for the next one.